Maintaining independence becomes even more important as we age, and the right safety gadgets can make everyday life more secure and comfortable. In this video, we're highlighting 8 senior-friendly safety gadgets designed to support mobility, improve home safety, and provide peace of mind during emergencies. From motion sensor nightlights and bathroom safety rails to smart medical alert devices with fall detection, these practical products can help seniors stay confident, connected, and better prepared while continuing to live independently. Number 1. Dark storm night. Your phone dies, so does the light. Then, a red beacon appears from your emergency kit. Meet RunningSnail, your pocket-sized survival command center. Crank it once. Power wakes up instantly. No outlet? No problem. Sunlight keeps it alive. USB charging adds another easy backup option. A bright LED flashlight cuts through total darkness. Stay visible, stay safe, stay ready anywhere. Turn the dial for AM and FM stations. Catch NOAA weather alerts before the storm hits. Emergency updates arrive when you need them most. Built for campers, hikers, and disaster-ready households. Rugged red body handles outdoor life with confidence. Compact enough to slip into any backpack. The built-in siren grabs attention fast. Perfect for signaling when every second matters. Need a phone boost? Use the 2000 mAh power bank. Keep communication alive during outages and adventures. 3 power sources mean fewer worries overall. Hand crank, solar, and USB cover every scenario. That means reliable backup wherever you go. From campsite mornings to blackout nights, it delivers. One device. Many roles. Zero wasted space. Emergency radio, flashlight, charger, and alert system together. A smart essential for preparedness-minded families. A trusted companion for outdoor explorers. A simple tool that feels surprisingly powerful. Be prepared before the next outage or storm. Add RunningSnail to your emergency kit today. Reliable power. Clear alerts. Light when it counts. Order now and stay ready for anything. Number 2. Tired of stumbling around at night? This LOHAS motion sensor nightlight changes everything. First reason. Hands-free auto lighting when darkness and motion meet. It detects movement within 3 to 5 meters instantly. The light turns off automatically after 60 seconds. Perfect for midnight bathroom trips, hallways, stairs, and bedrooms. Second reason, brightness adjusts from 0 to 100 lumens. That means you choose soft glow or brighter guidance. Great for parents, seniors, and anyone who hates glare. Third reason, warm 3000K light feels comfortable and calming. It protects your eyes instead of blasting harsh brightness. The sleek black design blends beautifully into modern homes. No awkward, bulky look ruining your room's style. Just plug it in and enjoy instant convenience. No complicated installation, no tools, no stress. With only 1 W power use, it saves electricity too. That means smart lighting without wasting energy every night. Use it in the bathroom for safer late-night visits. Place it in the hallway for easy nighttime navigation. Set it in kids' rooms for gentle, reliable comfort. Add it near stairs to reduce nighttime accidents. It even works wonderfully in nurseries and kitchens. Need always-on lighting? Switch modes with one simple touch. Need darkness? Turn it off whenever you want. This is practical lighting designed for real daily life. Small upgrade, huge difference in safety and comfort, especially for families, older adults, and busy homes. 2-pack value means better coverage for multiple rooms. So why wait for another midnight misstep? Bring home the LOHAS nightlight today. Tap to order now and light smarter tonight. Number 4. Still comparing bathtub handles? Safety should come first. Regular grips wobble, slip, and often need complicated installation. Heppo brings sturdy metal support for safer daily bathing. Its high-toughness frame supports up to 250 pounds. That means more balance when entering or exiting the tub. No tools needed, just clamp it on quickly. Traditional rails may require drilling, time, and extra hassle. Heppo installs fast, helping seniors stay independent longer. The adjustable clamp fits tub widths from 3.3 to 6.7 inches. Measure first for best fit on straight tub walls. Unlike fixed models, it can be relocated easily. That flexibility is ideal for changing bathroom needs. Many handles sit too low or too awkwardly. HEPO's 15-inch height makes gripping easier and more comfortable. Less bending means less strain on your back. The powder-coated surface helps resist rust and chipping, so it stays looking cleaner and lasts longer. 3-sided rubber pads protect the tub surface. They also improve grip and overall stability. Soft, easy grip design adds comfort for everyday use. Compared with basic rails, this one feels more secure. Compared with bulky supports, it stays practical and portable. It's a smart upgrade for seniors and caregivers alike. Perfect for mobility support, injury recovery, and fall prevention. Please note, not recommended for fiberglass or curved tubs. Also, avoid rounded rims and incompatible bathtub shapes. When the fit is right, safety improves dramatically. HEPO combines support, convenience, and thoughtful bathroom protection. A safer bath starts with a better grab bar. Choose HEPO for reliable support and peace of mind. Number 6. Think medical alerts are only for emergencies. The biggest risk is not getting help fast enough. I recommend SecuLife for dependable, family-first protection. It's built for seniors, caregivers, and patients needing reassurance. Its fall detection can automatically trigger immediate SOS alerts. Those alerts go directly to your chosen family contacts. No call center delay. No unnecessary middle step. That means faster response when seconds truly matter. The Pendant also supports real-time GPS tracking, so loved ones can see location instantly. You can even create geofence safety zones. If the wearer enters or leaves, alerts are sent. It adds a powerful layer of everyday peace of mind. For active seniors, that location awareness is invaluable. The SOS button enables one-touch emergency calling. It works like a cell phone, but simpler to use. Hands-free auto-answer makes communication even easier. That's especially helpful during falls or mobility challenges. The design stays senior-friendly and straightforward. A clear display shows time, battery, and signal. The large button is easy to find and press. It's also waterproof, so daily wear feels worry-free. Shower, rain, or splashes won't interrupt protection. Battery life lasts up to 6 days per charge. That means less charging and more consistent readiness. The monthly plan includes unlimited alerts and live tracking. You also get 24/7 customer care and support. For families, that combination is practical and reassuring. For seniors, it supports independence without sacrificing safety. If you want reliable protection, SecuLife is a smart choice. Help stays close, even when you can't be there. Choose SecuLife and give your family peace of mind. Number 5. Bathroom slips happen fast, especially for seniors and caregivers. That's why a grab bar matters every single day. First reason, safer showering with steady, reliable support. Hold it while stepping in, out, or turning around. It helps reduce fear in wet, slippery bathroom spaces. Second reason, the knurled grip feels secure in wet hands. No more struggling to hold a slick, smooth rail. The textured surface gives you confident traction immediately. That means better balance for seniors and mobility-limited users. Third reason, stainless steel construction built for long-term use. It resists rust, handles pressure, and stays dependable. You get serious support without sacrificing modern bathroom style. The polished nickel finish looks clean, sleek, and premium. Its 16-inch size fits many bathrooms and shower setups. The 1-inch diameter feels comfortable for most hands. It's also practical for pregnant women and post-surgery recovery. Caregivers love it because added safety brings real peace. Installation is straightforward with the included wall mount design. Once installed, it becomes a trusted daily support point. Use it in showers, tubs, or near toilets. It even doubles as a handy towel or clothing bar. That smart function packed into one simple bathroom upgrade. If safety matters, this is an easy decision. If comfort matters, this is an even better one. If durability matters, this grab bar delivers confidently. Give your bathroom stronger support and greater everyday security. Protect the people you care about with one upgrade. Add this grab bar to your bathroom today. Choose safer steps, steadier balance, and lasting peace of mind. Order now and make every bathroom visit feel safer. Number 7. Worry starts when a loved one is alone. A sudden fall can turn into a serious emergency. Reaching help quickly is not always easy. Phones can be misplaced, forgotten, or too hard to use. Family members often feel anxious throughout the day. Safety Plus changes that with one discreet wrist device. The watch-style design looks simple, familiar, and unobtrusive. It blends in like an everyday bracelet. With one press, help connects immediately. The SOS button reaches 24/7 emergency monitoring. Trained operators answer fast and send support. That means less waiting when every second matters. Automatic fall detection adds another layer of protection. If a fall happens, the alert goes out instantly. The monitoring team checks in right away. They can contact the wearer and dispatch help if needed. Built-in GPS helps locate the exact position. Caregivers can follow location through the mobile app. Real-time updates bring confidence to families everywhere. You can also track steps, battery, and activity. The care circle keeps loved ones informed. Push alerts notify family the moment support is needed. It works without a smartphone or carrier setup. Just call to activate, then start using it. The first month is free after activation. After that, one simple monthly fee covers everything. No hidden fees, no extra fall detection charges. It is water-resistant, lightweight, and comfortable all day. That makes it ideal for home, walks, and travel. Safety Plus gives seniors more independence and families more peace. Reliable protection, discreet comfort, and constant reassurance. A smarter way to stay safe every day. Number 8. Evening settles quietly over a small sunlit home. Martha, 81, moves carefully through her familiar hallway. She values independence, but every step feels uncertain. Her daughter, Lena, watches with hidden worry. They share a smile, masking the fear beneath. Then Martha reaches for the kitchen shelf. Suddenly, her foot slips on the tiled floor. A sharp fall breaks the room's silence. Martha lies still, stunned and frightened. But around her neck hangs a small black pendant. Its one-button SOS and fall detection stay ready. The device instantly senses the impact. Within seconds, trained operators receive the alert. Her location appears through built-in GPS tracking. A calm voice connects, asking if she is okay. Martha presses the button, breathing through the pain. Help is already on the way. Lena receives caregiver app notification immediately. Relief floods her face as support begins. This pendant works on Verizon and AT&T networks, so safety travels with Martha everywhere she goes. Even in the shower, its water-resistant design keeps working. Optional fall detection adds another layer of protection. For just $4.99 monthly, peace of mind grows. And activation is simple after delivery. Scan the QR code or call to begin. With 24/7 monitoring, every second matters less. Martha regains confidence, and Lena regains sleep. Independence feels possible again, without fear leading. Protect yourself or someone you love today. Number 3. Missed doses can quietly derail daily health routines. For seniors and caregivers, consistency matters every single day. Meet the MediAlert automatic pill dispenser, built for reliability. It keeps medication organized, protected, and easy to manage. Picture a busy morning with multiple prescriptions waiting. Instead of confusion, everything is ready in one place. This dispenser features 28 compartments for weekly medication planning. Each dose stays neatly separated and clearly arranged. The built-in alarm reminds users at the right time. That means fewer missed doses and less daily worry. A secure key lock adds extra protection and control. It helps prevent accidental access or mistaken double dosing. Clear and solid white lids make medication viewing simple. You can check setup quickly without unnecessary hassle. Its round design feels practical, compact, and easy to use. Perfect for home care, elder support, and everyday routines. Caregivers gain peace of mind with smarter medication tracking. Users gain independence through clearer reminders and organization. The timer-based system supports precise daily medication schedules. That creates a smoother, upgraded experience for everyone involved. No more scattered bottles or rushed last-minute checks. No more uncertainty about whether medicine was taken. Just dependable structure, day after day. It is also FSA and HSA eligible for added value, a smart choice for practical medication management support, designed for seniors, caregivers, and anyone managing prescriptions. This is medication care made simpler and safer. Upgrade your routine with a dispenser that truly helps. Choose MedElert for confidence, convenience, and control. Make every dose easier to remember and manage. Those were our top 8 senior-friendly safety gadgets that can help improve mobility, enhance personal safety, and provide extra reassurance for both seniors and their families. Whether you're looking to prevent falls, simplify daily routines, or ensure fast access to help in an emergency, each of these products offers practical benefits for everyday living. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends or family who could benefit from these safety solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more practical gear and everyday life-enhancing products.